Hello, welcome to the beginner's course of Salsa Solo Footworks. Class by class, we'll show you around 20 different footworks, starting from very simple steps, progressing to quite interesting combination. In this episode, we will show you just basic Cuban Salsa step to the side and step front and back. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, press like under this video, follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, and you can become a Patreon of our channel. All links in description below. Let's start with basic step. We assume you never danced salsa before, and this course is designed for people to start dancing salsa for the first time ever in life. So I start with a left foot and I do 2 steps in a spot. Left, right. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and left, right. 5, 6, 7, and left, right. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, open. Third step, left leg goes to the left. First rule to remember, we are always swapping feet. When you start with the left, you continue with right. When you stop with the right, you continue with left. No exceptions for now. 5, 6, 3 steps, go. 1, 2, open. One more time the same. 5, 6, 7, and cheeky, left. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, and cheeky, left. Fantastic. Second part. I continue with the right foot and I do 2 steps in a spot. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, and go. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, and go. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, and go. Right, left, right. Okay, you guessed it correctly. After 2 steps in a spot, we again open. 1, 2, 3, and go. Cheeky, open. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and go. Cheeky, right. Okay, and now we combine 2 parts together. Second rule, we try to make steps small. It shouldn't be very difficult rule to follow, as we assume you dance at home, so you don't have much space. So 5, 6, 7, left, cheeky, left, and cheeky, right, and cheeky, left, and cheeky, right, and step, and open, and step, and open, step, left, and step, right, step, left, and step, right, cheeky, left, and cheeky, right, cheeky, left, and cheeky, right. When we dance salsa, it is very important to follow the rhythm. We dance to music that it repeats in 8-beat cycles, and in these 8 beats we have to put 6 steps. Number 4 and number 8 are pauses. Now we'll do the same step, and I'll add numbers on top of that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And cheeky, left. And cheeky, right. And cheeky, left. And cheeky, great. The same idea we'll use for step front and back. I start with the left forward and 3 first steps. 5, 6, 7. Left front, right back together. One more time the same. 5, 6, 7, and front, back together. 5, 6, 7, and front, back together. Second part of the step, I continue with the right back, left front, together. Let's do the same again. Right back, left front, together. One more time. Right back, left front, together. And now we combine both of these parts. First left forward, then continue with the right back. 5, 6, 7, cheeky, 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Front, back together, and back, front together. Front, back together, and back, front together. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and cheeky, left, and cheeky, right, and cheeky, left, and cheeky, right, and cheeky, left, and cheeky, fantastic. Let's do the same one more time. Start with left forward, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, stop. Okay, Now we'll start with step side, side, and we change it to step forward. 5, 6, basic spot, cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right, and cheeky, cheeky left. Let's go front, 6, 7, hop, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Front, back, cheeky, back, front, chuko, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, stop. Great. So this change is very, very simple. I just finish one full step to the side, 5, 6, 7, and directly after that, start with left leg forward, front, cheeky, cheek, and back, cheeky, puku. Now, if you wanted to change opposite direction, it's not as simple. We do one full front and back step, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and now to change, 5, 6, step on 7, right leg opens to the right. When the legs are open, we are ready to start with basic cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right, and cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right. So transition step is step on 7 with right foot going to the right. Let's try to do it. Front and back. 5, 6, 7. 1, basic side. 5, 6, chuk, chuk. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Go front. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And basic side. And 5, 6, chuk, chuk. And 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. And cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right. Fantastic. Let's do all of it with music. This tempo is 140 beats per minute. It's not extremely slow, but if you need it slower, you can just use YouTube settings and put it in slower motion if you require. 1, 6, 7, ticky, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cheeky, cheeky left and front, 6, 7, ticky, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, basic side, 5, chuk, chuk, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right. Cheeky, cheeky left, let's go front with a left hop, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, and basic side, 5, 6, open, and cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right, and cheeky, cheeky left, and cheeky, cheeky right, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, one more time front, let's go, hop, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. That's the end of episode 1. We covered basic step to the side and basic step front and back. More in the next episode. See you next time. Bye bye.